Okay, so welcome mga boss sa ating next na video which is paano ba natin gamitin yung ad set natin. Okay, so before we go to ad set, let's just name this one. Let's say for example, lagyan natin yung name natin para Jake first campaign. And then, lagyan din natin yung ad set natin ng para bang indicator na name natin. Okay, for sa sample natin. Sample muna. Pero i-change natin yan guys later, okay? So, ito na yun guys. After editing this, you can change this naman din later para lagyan mo ng indicator na kung ano bang gagawin. So, after that, you can click on continue. And then, boom, ito na yung ad set natin, guys. So, very basic lang din yung ad set natin, guys. Explain natin yung objective natin. Okay, so, ito na yung campaign natin. May nakalagay dyan na ito yung name natin nilagay. Tapos, ang buying time natin is auction. Naka-default na yan siya guys. Kung i-click nyo yan, pwede auction lang din yung choice niya. So, objective natin again guys is messages. So, pwede natin i-edit yan kung gusto mo i-change. Pero conversion, pero stick tayo dito din sa ating messages na goal, which is to get more people na mag-message sa ating Facebook page. Okay, then may tinatawag din tayo na A/B test, meaning you can test two campaigns at the same time, but we are not going to talk about this. Later na yan siya guys sa mga advanced na mga videos. And may tinatawag din natin tayo dito nga, Campaign Budget Optimization or CBO. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa mga big campaigns na. But we're not gonna talk about this since we're gonna focus more on the basic muna. So later na yan siya guys sa part 2 natin. Okay, let's just uncheck that one, and after doing that one, you can click on next. Okay, doon pa rin tayo sa campaign. Remember guys, dito tayo indicator natin dito sa taas. Ito yung campaign, ito yung ad set, and ito yung ad. Okay, so sa ad set natin guys, so ito yung message definition natin. So click Messenger or sa WhatsApp na business or sa Instagram direct, meaning magda-direct siya ng message doon sa Instagram account mo. Since we're not doing Instagram ads, it's just okay na gagamitin mo natin tong click to Messenger, okay? Huwag tong sponsored message. Iba din yan, okay? So, on daily budget natin, guys, we can go up to as low as 50 pesos. 50.01. 50.09, right? But for the purpose of this presentation, we'll just try this 100 pesos lang. And then, you can set the time and date. Today is June 24, for example. For me, the best advice ko dito, guys, is huwag kayong maggawa ng ad na 5 p.m. kung sa Philippines time na 5 p.m. and up, dapat iset nyo siya ng the next day. Kasi mas ma-optimize yung budget mo, ma-optimize yung ad mo. So, iset natin for 25, and then tomorrow to, it's up to you kung iset mo yung ad ng 12 a.m. or 3 a.m. So, ano bang kinakaiba? Actually, depende rin kasi mga marketing na mga strategies, may nag-work na mga ad na within 12 in midnight, and mayroon din nag-work na mga ads na 3 in the morning. So for me, since 100 yung budget ko, usually kung mga maliit na yung mga budget ko, yung budget ko talaga ilagay ko dun sa date, sa time niya is 3 in the morning. Hindi yung 12 kasi kung 12 ko siya ilagay, I think maaga siyang maubos. Right? So 3 a.m. lang. 3 a.m. Okay, next. And of course, pag 3 a.m. yung set mong ad, pag ma-approve yung ad mo, marami na ding tao na mag-message sa'yo. So, be sure lang din na may nakaabang ka rin ng mga tao na mag-reply dun sa mga ads na gagawin mo. Okay? So, ito yung first part natin guys, sa objective natin sa Messenger. Ito yung budget, saka yung schedule, saka yung date natin guys. And, kung i-show more mo yan, pwede mo na kasi naka-default na tayo. And may tinatawag tayo na audience. So, dito natin, can I minimize this one? Okay. I-minimize natin ito para mas maintindihan nyo. So, dito tayo gagawa ng isang mga audience natin, guys. So, may nakalagay dito sa audience. So, basically, ang audience, guys, is kung sino yung target market ng business or brand mo. So, nakalagay dito, itong custom audience, later na ko yan siya discuss sa mga advanced na yan siya na topic, guys. Kasi, ibang level din yan na type of advertising. Pero, since we're going to make an ad na parang bago pa lang yung business natin or as a start lang, we can actually start by dito sa ating detailed na targeting. So, kailangan natin i-edit yan. Boom. Edit natin yan and dito sa ating demographics and all. Okay? So, ito i-explain ko, guys. So, what if yung client mo gusto niya sa US kayo mag-add? So, basic lang guys, i-edit lang natin yan and then i-type din natin yung country kung saan mo gustong mag-add. Let's say for example, United States. Boom, United States then ilagay mo dyan United States. Okay? Then, of course, kailangan mong i-delete yung Philippines kasi ayaw mong mag-appear yung ads mo doon sa Philippines din, di ba? Boom, tanggalin mo yung United States. Okay, but since Philippines yung ad natin, ibalik natin yung Philippines, then cancel natin yung United States. Okay? So, what if yung target market mo lang is from Davao lang, or from Manila, or from Luzon, or from Visayas, or from Cebu. So, example, for Cebu tayo, guys. Kung Cebu lang yung target natin, guys, pwede natin piliin to. Cebu City, or for example, Davao City. Yan, Davao Region, then boom, click mo yan, and automatic mawala na yung Philippines natin na country kasi dito lang naka-specify yung target market natin. So, what if i-add mo rin ang Tagum, Davao Region, boom, may Tagum na yan. Until such time na maubos mo yung whole Mindanao. And depende rin kasi, I think pwede ka rin maglagay ng Mindanao. Northern Mindanao pwede. Okay, so yan. That's how you're going to target dun sa natin guys, sa demographics, sa mga location. So, since whole Philippines yung i-target natin guys, babalik tayo sa Philippines. Okay? So, meaning whole Philippines yung i-target ng ads natin. Number 2 is, the next one is yung age natin, guys. So, depende kasi sa client natin. What if ang client natin is yung target market nila is from, ang default kasi ng Facebook is 18 to 65 years old. So, what if yung client ninyo is gusto nila ang audience nila is from 25 years old to para bang 60 years old or 50 or lower than that. Pwede mo siyang i-edit itong part, guys, and kung men or women lang na yung target market mo, then you can select this one or you can create all. Okay, since kung sa HBC na ads, since bago pa to na account, is kailangan ko siyang i-detail like 18 to 65 up kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ano ba mga winning na mga ages ko. Okay? So sa advanced lesson natin, ituturo ko kung paano ba natin ma-filter yung mga working talaga ng mga audiences, guys. Okay? So, the next one is here's detailed targeting. So, dito natin ilagay yung mga interest na gusto mong i-target. Let's say, for example, you have a pet product. So, example, may dog product ka na para bang dog food. So, ang i-search mo na interest dito, guys, is yung mga interest din na related doon sa dog product na binibenta mo, yung dog food. So, type mo lang dito, dog food. Let's say, for example, dog food. Boom, may dog food, diba? So, i-click mo yan. Meaning, sa Philippines na may 18 to 65 years old na all men and women sa dog food, meaning may interested people dahil potential reach niya, may 1.2 million people. So, meaning guys, yung dog food natin, pwede natin i-target yan siya using dog food. Right? Okay, so example, ang product mo is para bang bags or mga shoes for ladies. So, parang gano'n. So, let's say for example, ang focus mo is women from... I would really suggest, pag bago pa yung ad mo, i-default mo lang 18 to 65 years old. Kasi nga, hindi mo pa alam yung working talaga na mga ages natin. So, let's say for example, bag. So, ano ba mga brand ng mga bags ngayon? Ano ba? Example. Yan, sikat na brand yan. for me, wag mo lang i-target tong employers. Dito ka sa interest talaga. Then, boom. So, women. Okay, so naka-indicate ito sa Philippines, from 18 to 65 years old, may potential reach ka na sa mga women lang lahat na nag-like, posible nag-like sa Hermes na brand, na 1.3 million people, and potential mo ma-reach na mga tao is 1.3 million people. And ang reach mo, estimated daily results is sa budget mo na magkaroon ang budget ng 100 pesos is ito sila guys. 700 to 2,000 people na ma-reach mo, estimated yan. So basically, ang trabaho ng interest guys, kung ang product mo is dog food, maghanap ka lang ng interest na related sa mga dogs, or pwede makalagay ng mga, siyempre, di mo pwede ilagay yung cats kasi nga dog din yung goal natin, di ba? Dog product. So example, all natin na, what if your business is parang mga auto detailing shop? So of course yung target natin dyan is cars. My cars ba? Boom, my cars, okay. Yun. So may 1.4 million, ito yung daily reach natin, potential. So ganyan maggawa ng isang ad set guys. So for example, yung HBC natin na ad account, let's say for example, yung mga hinahanap ko ngayon is mga business owners. So i-type natin yan business, then boom, may business na ako na interest ito, 41 million. So ang dami talaga. So then go down lang, and then sa placement natin, just place automatic lang. Later ko na i-discuss tong manual placement kasi nga pang advance to. And then dito later ko na i-discuss din mga advance niyan. Basically, ito na yung ad set guys. So, in order for you to identify kung anong name ng ad set mo, kailangan mo siyang i-change name na something like, kung the way ako mag-name ng isang ad set, kaya itong ginagawa ko guys. So, Philippines, meaning PH, then dash, then 18 plus, meaning 18 to 65 years old. Alam ko na yan kasi yun ang indicator ko. Or kung change mo yan to 30 to 54 years old, ganun ang magawa ka ng ad set name. So, sa akin, since 18 plus yung ginawa ko, then yan gagawin ko, tapos i-copy paste ko yung nilagay ko na interest, which is yung business. Okay? Business. Okay, boom. So ito na yung ad set level guys. So yan, 100 budget na check natin tomorrow at 3 AM, boom. Then Philippines, then go. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for the ad set level guys, and see you sa ating next na topic, which is for the ad. Okay? So, let me know kung may mga questions kayo dito sa video natin sa baba guys. So, thank you guys. See you sa next video natin.